Okay, now an alternative way to solve this is, okay, well, we got the 3y plus x. If we don't want to use the distributive law, we can just divide both sides by x, can't we? That's going to get this closer to being solvable for y, because once we divided both sides by x, then we'll just have a 3y plus x on this side. We could subtract x from both sides and then divide both sides by 3 and we'd have y. That's actually a little more efficient than this, but it's going to end up with the same result. So let's just do that. We're going to have this over x and this over x. And let's put the equal sign down here a little lower. Okay? Then clearly you could write this as x over x times 3y plus x over 1. X over x is 1, so that works. So we get 2x plus 1 over x equals 3y plus x. Then we subtract x from both sides, right? Looking dubious.
I'm good.
You okay?
Yeah, no, I'm good.
Okay. That sleep thing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't know why it quote looked like it canceled out, but I see that it didn't. I see where it is. I said it looked like it, but it wasn't. I'm good.
Hey, Professor Smith, are we ever going to understand the rules of canceling or no?
I'm never going to talk about it.
He said, if you don't understand the rules of canceling, don't do it.
Yeah. I'm opposed to it. There are times when it's appropriate, but I don't have any confidence that the class is going to get to the point.
That's not nice.
No. No, it's not nice that your curriculum has let you down to that point.
At least honest.
I don't think it's us either. I don't think it's us that he doesn't have the confidence in.
I'm not trying to be mean. I'm just, it is what it is. Okay?
Said it is what it is.
And it's an epidemic of people not being able to do algebra very well. That's all there is to it. And that's, of course, why we have this, one of the main reasons we have this support course.
Well, back in my high school, instead of like during math class and Spanish class, instead of doing the classes, we decorated for prom. And we didn't learn anything. We just got our grade by doing prom decorations.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that's how we wrote.
Well,
She,
really, it comes down to a couple of things, but one of the biggest things is that students are just sorry and teachers don't know what to do about it.
Oh.
Okay, I'm talking in high school, and I'm talking about the group as a whole, not individuals. Okay, so that the individuals who are good are getting shortchanged, and the individuals who are, just not doing the work are getting passed,
yes.
because that's how you get funding. It's much more complex than that. I don't have my finger in the pulse of the universe. But also, you're trying to get people through Algebra 2 who just are never going to need Algebra 2, never going to use Algebra 2, and are going to have a whole hard time learning Algebra 2, even if they do what they do. So you dumb down Algebra 2 so everybody comes out even less able to cancel, yeah.
We was just talking about that.
Okay? And everybody uses that F word instead of the distributive law. That FOI.
The first time he said it, I was dying. I didn't know what was happening. And I thought you were talking to me, and I was like, I didn't say it.
There's some other F word out there, I guess, but it's not the one I find offensive.
I'm fluent in that one.
Whatever it is, I don't know what it is. Okay, so we get this, right? So now let's write this. Let's put the 3y on this side. 2x plus 1 over x minus x. Now clearly we could do a common denominator over here if we wanted to, right? But now we're just going to divide both sides by 3, right? So now dividing by 3 is the same as multiplying by 1/3. So you think, okay, we multiply by 1/3, but of course then multiplying 3y by 1/3 gives us this. And now this gives us y equals 2x plus 1 over 3
Dividing by 3.
over 3x. That was going to be linear if I didn't have that x down there, wasn't it? Okay, well, this is exactly the same as this. If we separate this out to 2x over 3x plus 1 over 3x minus x over 3, the 2x over 3x will become the 2/3 and so forth, okay? But at this stage, it's clearly not linear because you got the x in the denominator and there's no way you're going to get this into a form that doesn't have x's in the numerator and the denominator, right? And to boot, you're even going to get an x squared in the numerator because it would be equivalent to this, right? So you not only have x's in the numerator and denominator with constants, different constants, okay? We even have an x squared here. There's nothing you can do to that. Okay?